So basically what we're doing is we're taking our cabinet order. If you can see this, get a close up on it. It's got all of our dimensions and everything. So basically what we do before we place the cabinet order is we want to have our client sign off on the cabinet order, making sure that everything is here the way that she wants it. And this is a great visual, but on top of this, we really want to do a visual for the client on site. So what we've done is we basically have taken all of our measurements from our sheet and transferred them, measured them out and transferred them onto the floor with orange paint. It's a simple, rudimentary process, but it helps us to make sure that we get it correct the first time and not have to go back and make adjustments. So in this particular kitchen, there was a wall here, we cleared this wall out, a wall here, we cleared that out. So we're setting up for our new cabinets. So not only do we have all the base cabinet sizes laid out on the floor, we're marking out things like where key components go. So our refrigerator, we know we're going to need a dedicated outlet there, so we've got our refrigerator marked. We know that we're going to need a garbage disposal outlet here underneath of the kitchen sink with a switch, so we've got both of those things marked. There's some switches that we want to delete. There are some plugs that need to be moved, so we're going to delete some, move some. We've got a new hood location. We've got a new stove location, so we want to make sure that our 220s go in the right locations. And then in this particular project, we're going to have plumbers help the electricians because we want to have electricity in our island here, so we've marked out the island, but the plumbers are already here doing saw cutting and breaking, so we're going to have them step over and trench the concrete here so we can get electrical from the wall into the island. So it's just a little bit of planning and preparation on our part, but it's something that we do as a part of our project management to make sure that things go right the first time, electricity gets put in the right place the first time, plumbing gets put in the right place the first time, and cabinets get ordered correctly and approved by the client prior to placing the order. So just a little bit about our processes. Hope this helps you guys out, give you a little bit of remodeling tips and some ideas for the future. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.